Welcome back to another video. Today we are just throwing paper planes into that fan over there. You see it? Come on, zoom in. You see that? Oh, very good. चलो हम लोग हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे. That means we are talking in Hindi. The screen is dark right now. I'm not hold it. So I have a paper plane. मेरे पास पेपर प्लेन है. अरे पेपर प्लेन सही से नहीं उड़ेगा. मैं होल्ड करता हूँ, ठीक है? Guys, my cousin is holding the camera, so look, I have this paper plane. You can see it. I'll zoom in. Zoom in. Okay, good. Zoom out a bit. Point towards the fan. Oh, it got stuck. Guys, do you see that? देखा हमने? फैन के ऊपर प्लेन है. There's a fan on the plane. It's just doing 360s around. On the fan. Normal plane in Ohio. Down in Ohio. The plane is stuck. Oh my God. Have you guys ever seen this happen in your life? I don't think so. बहुत लोगों ने. Oh, it's getting low. Be sure to catch it. Catch कर लेना, okay? Okay. Catch कर लेना. That's my cousin. Face reveal कर देते सबको. Hello. That's face reveal. Okay. Oh. How do we get it down? Okay, he turned it on, the switch. Oh, नहीं हो पाएगा. अब तो और भी खराब कर दिया. ये हो खराब. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. I think that's the end of the video. It's still doing 360s. Look, that thing is still doing 360s. I'm gonna zoom in more so you guys can see it. Okay, paper plane. हाँ guys, पेपर प्लेन है. वो फंस गया फैन में और अब 360s कर रहा है ओहायो में. अपने अंग्रेज कजिन का फेस रिवील करो. He is my other friend. He speaks a lot of English like me. Face reveal. This is his face. ये इसका face है. Okay, 3 minutes video done. Bye guys.